Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This is your blinker light bulb. This is the high and low beam light bulb. So it's a double element bulb inside there. So if you have one or the other out, you replace the whole light itself. It's not, you don't replace two different bulbs, just one whole bulb. And then right here is a parking light / clearance light. And we're going to go over how you would replace all of these in increments. All right? So that's the headlight assembly explained and where the lights are. So this clearance light, you're going to reach in here. So you follow it up. It's on the same wires that have the headlight on it, but you follow it up, and up top here, you can see the connector there. You're going to turn it counterclockwise. So you turn it counterclockwise, and then you pull it out, and this is right here. And this is just a your standard 168, 162 bulb. It's of an amber color, and we're going to want to keep it to be amber color. They make these in plain and in amber, but you're going to want to keep it to be amber color for the fact that this doesn't have an amber color on the light mechanism itself. So when you got your new one, you're just going to go ahead and push it in there, lock it into place, and then you just take it back, your way to the hole there, and then just a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to lock it into place. And that's how you would replace your clearance light on your Honda Fit. And that's all the lights on the front of the vehicle in the light mechanism. Fortunate you don't have to take off anything to be able to replace the headlights or anything. So that's how you do this on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.